Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the much anticipated Nothing Phone 2A. Let's find out if it lives up to the hype. First up, let's talk about the design and build quality. The Nothing Phone 2A boasts a sleek and minimalist design with its transparent back cover that shows off the internal components. It's definitely a head-turner. The build quality feels premium, with a solid aluminum frame and Gorilla Glass on both the front and back. The phone is lightweight and comfortable to hold, making it perfect for everyday use. Next, let's move on to the display. The Nothing Phone 2A features a stunning 6.55-inch OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Colors are vibrant, blacks are deep, and the overall viewing experience is fantastic. Whether you're gaming, watching videos, or just browsing, the display delivers an immersive experience. Plus, the high refresh rate makes everything feel buttery smooth. Now let's talk performance. The Nothing Phone 2A is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, paired with 8GB of RAM. This phone handles everything you throw at it with ease. From multitasking to high-end gaming, the Nothing Phone 2A delivers smooth and lag-free performance. You won't be disappointed. Of course, we can't forget about the cameras. The Nothing Phone 2A features a dual camera setup with a 50-megapixel main sensor and a 16-megapixel ultra-wide lens. Let's see how it performs. The main camera captures stunning photos with great detail and accurate colors. The ultra-wide lens is perfect for capturing landscapes and group shots. Plus, the night mode works exceptionally well in low-light conditions. Battery life is another crucial factor. The Nothing Phone 2A comes with a 4,500 mAh battery that easily lasts a full day on a single charge. It also supports fast charging, getting you back to 100% in no time. Whether you're a heavy user or just need your phone to last through the day, the Nothing Phone 2A has got you covered. So what's the verdict on the Nothing Phone 2A? It's a beautifully designed phone with a fantastic display, powerful performance, great cameras, and long battery life. It's definitely worth considering if you're in the market for a new smartphone. Thanks for watching our full review of the Nothing Phone 2A. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews. See you in the next one.